Now this is the best cover lifter. It doesn't really lift it, but as long as your cover is light, these things come right down like that, out of the way. So they're right out of the way. I put that piece of wood there because the side wasn't strong enough, so I had to put a piece of wood on both sides. Plus I had to bring this out a bit because of the lip right there. I just felt this was too close to here, and there's a piece of wood on the back side of this just make it a little bit rigid. Now this is the best one. These are the cheapest ones to buy, but I think they're the best. Like, there's so many expensive ones out there and they fall apart. This one here has been here maybe 5-6 years. As long as your cover is not heavy, these have no problem holding it. Now some of these you might not even be able to put this on here. This customer, they can, you know, the fold's the right way. They have a privacy fence there. You couldn't go that way even if the fold went that way. And it's got a deck on this side. So most cover lifters, if you want a deck around it, they don't work, or they're in the way. Like, even if you put one right there on both sides, even if you have a deck around it, then you're taking 2 feet out here and you can smash your foot on it. And installing these, it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, you have to hide a screw through here, right there. Now I can't really show you how I installed this because your tub's different. There's thousands of tubs. There's so many different types. Now the way I did it here might not even apply to you, but I'm just giving you the general idea of what to do. Like I said, if this is all, you know, plastic and that, put some kind of backing on the back side inside, and then just get longer screws. Because it wasn't rigid at all when I started this. It was pretty shaky this way. There we go. The idea here is you lift one end, you get up inside, so you're already inside, and you're right in the center. You just push it onto your rollers, push it right there, and just pulling it on. That's what it looks like on the opposite side. Yeah, it's out of the way, but you got to have room to have that roller there, and that's what it looks like up here. Everything's out of the way, and then you just have to pull the center. When you're done, you just pull it over halfway, and then you flip it back. It's like very easy to do, and it's like that roller is so much cheaper, and I think it lasts longer. Make sure you hit that like button down below